There we go. Thank you. So here we go, guys. My little special project I got going on. They're tearing down my steps. So it's coming along. They started early, much earlier than I thought they was. But they got it going on. You want to say hello? Say hello. No hello today? She come to hang out with me. Look, she's standing right next to me, guys. So she come to hang out with me. It's my little friend. She stays with me. But to give y'all a sneak peek of what's going on, they starting on the bump out. All the finishing is done, and they're starting on the doggone step. So that's gonna be my step down, so old man don't have to be taking big steps anymore. So there you go. So that's what's going on there. And as last video y'all seen, today is Friday. Tomorrow the windows come. So y'all look out for that video. But we are on special project. So this is what's coming on for you guys. Special project. They're tearing it down. We're getting it started. We rocking and rolling. Let's get an overview view. There you go, guys. Look at that. So this is what's going on. Now, like always, I gotta go run and get more supplies. It's gonna cost me more money. So I gotta go. And Miss Bella's last video, y'all seen the chicken coop that's going up. It's coming alive, y'all. So we got about 5 projects going. We got welders up there you can't see. We got about 5 projects. It's a lot. But today's focus is on the special project right here. It's coming along, guys. Jeffrey getting ready to build my drawbridge. Like I said, I got a moat. He's getting ready to build that drawbridge for me. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And for those that want to see the windows, windows are here, guys. We got windows. They're installing them right now, but that's not this video. But you may catch a glimpse of them working. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at this. This is where, you know, your hard work, dedication comes in. I finally got steps. Steps. So it's coming together. Oh, it's coming together. I know the dogs are loving it. It's coming together. Of course, I'm gonna get these dogs out of here. But look at that, guys. Look, I even got welders. I got everybody's here, man. Welders, that's going down. I got the doggone water pumps guys coming over there. So we got a full crew. It's about 20 guys out here, all on the back side, front side, the roof, you name it. They're out here. We got a full working crew. This is good. This is their break time. So that's why they're stopping right now while I show you this guys. But this is it. We got it. Look at that. That's Bella's height right there. Boom. So do y'all see the vision? Do y'all see it coming together? Come on now. I know y'all can see it. Just keep watching. Keep watching. It's coming. So guys, since I did a zinc roof, if you was doing a cement roof, this is how they would do it. They would frame it out, put the rebar in, nice strong rebar, and then they would cement it, making a casing. And this would technically be a roof. And so he's standing on a roof right now. So for those of you who are wondering, he is studying, he said he only needs 12 mm to make this structure, not 16 mm. Three, two, go. Action. Thank you. Too long, I cut it out. Too short. No time. Just show them. Move your whole body out of it. I tell you to hold low, and you always hold in the middle. It can't be invisible if your hand is there. So, as you see, it makes me yes. Angles matter. Go ahead. The other one is aluminum. I just want to, we can always take it back. I just want to try something. So, guys, I'll wait and pick out some.
It's raining man. We have to take a bath like this.
What you want, baby girl? What you want, baby girl? Whoop. You got it. You can do it. There you go. All right, guys, y'all get the gist of it. Y'all see? It's going to have to cure for about 24 hours. And he's going to come back and put a nice fresh coat on it. It's raining out here, guys. So with no further ado, after Jeffrey pours this last bucket, I'm going to wrap this video up. There we go, guys. So with no further ado,
Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.